Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with one more interview experience, and this time we try to understand everything about Mphasis company. And today we have one of my school friend, also a good friend, Bindu. She will be sharing her interview experience with us. And without too much time, let's start the interaction. Hi Bindu, how are you?
Hi Akshay, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm doing great, Bindu. And firstly, congratulations to you for being placed at Mphasis.
Thank you, Akshay.
So nothing, Bindu, like for me and for audience, just try to give an insight about Mphasis hiring procedure.
Yeah, sure, Akshay. Hiring procedure of Mphasis is same as other company. It's just simple, not more included rounds. Only
Okay.
2 rounds included. First round was as usual written test. In written test, there were no sections. Only one section was there. In one section, it consists of all like apti, quants, logical, and some logical like programming. We have to give the output of that code.
Okay.
And there was no coding.
Okay.
That's all about written test.
Okay, got it. So, Bindu, what is the time taken to get the assessment?
Assessment results, Akshay?
Yeah.
It taken around 2 weeks.
2 weeks. I mean, basically, it was on campus, right?
Yeah.
On campus 2 weeks. Okay, okay. So,
after 2 weeks, they just sent a mail like I was shortlisted.
Okay.
After that, before the interview, one of the person called and asked when can I schedule for the interview.
Okay, got it, got it. So,
And later,
yeah, go on.
And later he mailed me, and day after tomorrow, I had interview.
Got it, Bindu, got it. So, any talk on TR and HR, Bindu?
There were no separate technical round and HR round.
Okay.
Both were in the one round itself. In also with only one person, same panel.
Okay.
He conducted both technical round as well as HR.
Yeah, okay.
In technical round, he asked mainly questions from CV.
CV, okay.
And yeah. So whatever you mentioned in CV, main questions were there from CV.
Okay.
As I mentioned, like C, C++, he mainly asked questions from C and C++.
Okay.
First, he asked, as usual, introduce myself. Later, he got into subject.
Okay. So, were there any kind of questions related to DBMS kind of questions?
As I not mentioned DBMS, he has the first rate yourself in any one of the programming language. So I mentioned as I was thorough with C. So I said C, and questions were raised from C only.
C, okay.
Yeah. What are pointers, array?
Okay.
Like that, simple questions only.
Okay, got it. So any talk on project, Bindu?
Yeah. In introduction only, asked questions like project.
Okay.
Tell me about your project.
Okay.
No more questions on project. Only that's it.
Okay. So is there any kind of questions like they will share the screen, you have to code any kind of questions?
Yeah. Not coding. Like basics.
Okay.
Give example for array, pointer, like that.
Got it. And so what was the time taken to get the TR results, Bindu?
It took around 2 days, that's it.
2 days, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. So,
after 2 days, I got offer letter also.
So it was a achievement to you. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah,
within a short time, all procedure went off.
So within within a month of time, the whole hiring process was.
Yeah, it was complete.
So Bindu, what is the designation and what is the role? Any talk on that?
Designation was associate software engineer.
Okay.
Mainly first was training. Later, after completion of training, 6 months.
Okay.
It will be appointed as full-time employment.
So what is the package, Bindu?
Package during training, it was mentioned as 2.5 lakhs per annum. After 3.5.
So is there any bond?
Yeah, bond was 2 years agreement.
2 years, okay.
If we leave that, we have to pay compensation as 1 lakh.
1 lakh compensation. Okay, got it. So Bindu, almost you are done with the procedure. interview
Yeah.
procedure. So at last but not the least, any suggestions to audience, Bindu?
Suggestions be thorough with your resume, and also be thorough with any one of the programming language. Why? Because if you know that language, you will be perfect.
Yeah.
The questions will be more from that language only.
Mhm.
So be confident.
Got it. So additional to that, guys, as Bindu was mentioning, just thorough with your CV, and additional to that, just just have a practice of improving your communication, and
Yeah.
just be confident while having a talk with the panel member, and if possible, just work on your appearance, because first impression is the best impression. That makes a sense during the interview. And yeah, guys, this is all about today. And if you're not yet seen our previous video, just click on our link and just go and have a look into that. And additional to that, we also have a Telegram community group. You can be part of that. Link will be provided in the description. And the main advantages of being in community is you can ask whatever questions you want, and the community people will surely help you. And Bindu, thank you once again for taking time and joining us today.
Thank you, Akshay.
And yeah, guys, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.